Okay, so we're just going to look in this video at how to actually install Bead Manager Pro on a Windows machine. Now, even though I'm on Windows here, I'm actually running this on a virtual machine on a Mac, so it's going to come up with a couple of different messages as we go through, but don't worry about that. It's the same thing when you do it on a Windows machine. It's just quite simple. So basically you'll have downloaded this zip file and you're going to need either WinRAR or WinZip or another zip utility to unzip it. And there'll be links below this video where you can actually get a copy of those from. So once you've got that installed, and most Windows machines will have this installed as a default anyway, you just need to right click on the file, okay, and you may get this message come up because it's a new download. Just say yes, you do want to continue, and you want to see this extract here, so you should extract here just to extract everything to the desktop. Okay, and now just because I'm on a Mac, I have to just refresh my desktop to make that appear. You won't do this on your Windows machine, but just for me I need to hit refresh. That's it, now I can bring that into shot. So what it'll have done is it'll opened up this folder here for you. So this is actually everything that contains the Bead Manager Pro program. So it's not like an install with other programs where you install and then it whacks this exe file into your programs. Basically, Bead Manager Pro is self-contained within this folder. So everything you need is in this folder, and you can't move files outside of there, but you can actually create shortcuts, which we'll show you in another video. So anyway, now we've done that, we can actually delete the zip file. So we'll get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. And we've got our folder, so we'll just launch that. And you can see here, this is the folder Bead Manager Pro version 5. And this is what I'm saying, everything in here needs to stay in here because it's a wrapped program. Okay, so that basically means that you don't need FileMaker on your machine to run this FileMaker program. And the file that you need is the application file, so it's the .exe file. You may not see that on your machine because of the views that you have set up, and like here we can't see the .exe file, but it's this one here, bmpro_v5, and it's the application file, and it should be the first file in the list that's underneath these folders. So that's all you need. You just double click on there and we'll run that. And Bead Manager Pro will start up for the first time, and the first time you start up you'll get this message whether you want to try, buy or activate. If you're on a trial version you can click on try. Buy will take you to purchase a license if you've been using a trial, or activate to actually enter in your license code. So we'll activate in this case, and you just put in your username and your email address that you actually purchased with. Okay, and once you've done that, just click on OK. Okay, and your software has been activated successfully. So that's it. You just need to make sure that the very first time that you go to register, or that you install and register, that you are connected to the internet. If you're not connected to the internet, then Bead Manager Pro won't be able to verify your license code and it won't start. Thereafter, at any time you can actually launch Bead Manager Pro. You don't have to be connected to the internet every time, but first time you do have to be. So click on OK, and that's it. You're good to go.